Hello everyone, welcome to Mojo for Industry presents Digital Dialogue on Cobots in Manufacturing, how cobots are taking over the shop floor. Technology partner for the session is Omron Automation, a global leader in the field of automation. Before we get started, let me introduce you with our experts panel. We are pleased to join by Ms. Alka Sachdeva, who is the Vice President of All India Council for Robotics and Automation, popularly known as AICRA. Then we are joined by Mr. Virupakshappa Hovale, who is the Regional Director for South Asia at Universal Robots. Welcome, Viruji.
Thank you. Good to see you.
And then we have Mr. Rahul Patil, who is the Product Marketing Manager for Robotics Business at Omron Automation India. Welcome, Rahulji. So today's discussion will cover a broad spectrum of topics, including key benefits of using cobots in manufacturing, applications of cobots, status of cobot adoption in India, challenges and solutions, and of course, the future of cobots in manufacturing. To start off, let's define what we mean by cobots. Cobots, or as I said, collaborative robots, are designed to work alongside humans in a shared workspace. So to kick off our discussion, let us understand why are cobots becoming so popular in manufacturing. Mr. Rahul, can you share your thoughts on this particular aspect?
So basically, cobots being a human collaborative robots, these are helping customers or manufacturers for their challenges. Challenges such as the shop floor space is one of the challenge. Again, the safety aspect of it. So typically, collaborative robots are helping to manage for the productions. Now demand from the market is coming, high mix, low volume kind of productions. So typically, cobots can get deployed in a very less time, and the skill sets of the users are not that much competitive complex. So programming is very easy. So by that way, it is helping manufacturing industry to deploy the technology and easily scale down the production area.
Mr. Viru, what are the advantages of cobots over the traditional industrial robots? Though I touched upon that particular area, if you can touch particularly on the cost effectiveness and return on investment, all these aspects.
Collaborative robots, as Rahul said, they work along with the human who are already there in the shop floor, right? They don't take away anything, the job which are already being done, but they augment some of the activities which you can avoid. Example, there are repetitive job, there are safety related aspect, there are some supply of the skilled labor, there is shortage, then definitely you get into the cobots. That is why they called collaborative robots. That is the big difference. There are no safety hazards per se, quote unquote, okay, compared to the robots, by virtue of the built-in functions available for the safety as well as the ease of deployment, and you can move it to any place, and you don't have to wait a new line to be adding collaborative robots to the manufacturing capabilities, right? You can add wherever it is, whenever it is, and you can redeploy, reprogram, use it, ease of use. As you said also during the introduction, the safety functions are built in. You don't have to create a big fence, the light curtain, and as if you are far away keeping, because they are meant to be working along with you. In fact, these collaborative robots also originated from the standard robots, but with a constraints removed. People say, no, unconstrain the constraints. So that is done with the collaborative robots.
Right. Rahulji, actually, considering the Indian market, we need to understand the cost effectiveness and return on investment. If you can talk about that.
The utilization of cobots, you can change from location to location, or you can deploy as per deployment, because you can easily carry, unlike fixed robots. So the efficiency or effectiveness you can get from the manufacturing plant, and the cost effectiveness types, actually we don't need a safety kind of a fencing or safety parameters. It's certified and works on some safety ISOs actually. So by that, typically, if we evaluate the ROI for the particular system, so definitely it is less as compared to that, and even maintenance. If you check for the maintenance aspects, so the traditional industrial robots needs a maintenance typically. So this is what actually is not needed in collaborative robots, because the design itself is very compact, and the technology introduction inside that, it's not having any kind of a gear mechanism or kind of belt driven mechanism, so it is not needing much maintenance also.
Alka ji, you represent, as I said in the introduction itself, All India Council for Robotics and Automation, that is AICRA. That's a global non-profit organization that is setting the standard for robotics and automation. So how do you see the benefits of cobots in the context of employee satisfaction and upskilling, and how cobots can boost performance of a manufacturer?
Definitely, we look forward collaborative robots as you can say, a very a tool which can actually increase our performance, like increase the accuracy of the tasks which are performed, so that the challenges what workforce is facing, those can be eliminated. If I talk about enhancing productivity and efficiency by integrating it into the existing workflows and operating continuously without breaks, minimizing downtime, improving product quality, and with consistent precision, reducing human errors also. So definitely these are cost effective, as shared by my colleagues also. So definitely, and workplace safety, and that also is a very important factor in this. Like, it avoids injury risks or the tasks which are required to be handled very delicately. So cobots definitely are efficient enough to handle those kind of tasks. And further, coming to the point that how it can enhance our like workforce, it's a tool which can be taken to increase the productivity, and definitely by repetitive tasks can be done by the cobots.
So thank you, panelists, for taking up those questions. So before summing it up, can I ask all the panelists to share your one-liner statement on why Indian manufacturers should adopt cobots? That's the summing up statement. I will start with Alka ji first.
It will increase their production, it will increase efficiency, it will increase their products quality also, and definitely reducing on the costs incurred on those production lines.
Right. Mr. Viru?
We believe in automation anywhere, everywhere, for everybody. That is first one. Second one, human, please don't work like a robot. Please work along with the cobot. I think with this, they'll be able to adopt the cobots very well into their manufacturing. Don't become a robot in the whole life of span of a employed job, right? Work along with them, with the cobots.
Yeah, Mr. Rahul.
Yeah, so as Omron has got a policy, global policy actually, working for the benefit of the society. This is our tagline actually, and we and our every product works in that direction and aligned with the policy. So if you see more deployment of cobot, major factor is human ergonomics or human life. So cobot is a technology which is safest technology, and that will help to protect the ergonomy or protect the life of the humans. So I think it is the right choice actually if we go further into the industry.
So thank you once again, Ms. Alka Sachdeva, Mr. Virupakshappa, Hovale, and Mr. Rahul Patil for your time and participation. Thank you, delegates, for your active participation in today's digital dialogue on cobots in manufacturing, how cobots are taking over the shop floor. We thank technology partner for the session, Omron Automation, a global leader in the field of automation.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.